This case and this celebration are all about individuals growing medical marijuana. The court found it can be done safely and securely with limited risk.
It's also a question of knowing what's in your medicine, being able to control what's in your medicine, and being able to determine what works for you.
This ruling gives the federal government 6 months to come up with new legislation for homegrown medical pot. The health minister says she wants to be clear. This ruling isn't a green light for all Canadians to start planting pot.
I would like to, in that line, also make sure that people understand that the ruling today is not associated with the matter of recreational marijuana and the legalization thereof.
Elsewhere on Parliament Hill, the talk was all about legalization.
And to regulate.
Taking the lead on the pot file, MP and former Toronto Police Chief Bill Blair, who seemed happy enough to chat with pro-pot activists, but was quick to warn that right now pot remains illegal.
Until those laws are repealed by Parliament through the appropriate processes, then they should be upheld, they should be obeyed, and they should be enforced.
And how long would it take to consult and write a new law? Blair wouldn't even promise it could be done in this mandate.
We're working diligently on it. We're going to take the time to do it right.
Will it take more than 4 years?
I'm not going to speculate.
There's got to be some sort of time.
But again, I'm not prepared simply because I don't have the information to provide you with a definitive answer on how long things will take. And I apologize. I got to go.
The group that represents Canada's police chiefs says the government's facing some big expectations about legalization, which it could calm with a little more information.
So people could understand maybe what the timelines might be and how we're going to go about this. Because right now I think it's just a big fog.
Blair acknowledged today that people around the world are watching to see how Canada goes about legalizing marijuana. They're watching in Canada, too, where there's potentially a lot of money at stake. We learned today that several big pharmacy chains are already interested in selling medical marijuana.